Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collab with Brennan's Grin here on YouTube and Courtney Brooke, also here on YouTube. We all decided to use the Jaclyn Morphe palette to create our eye looks today, so you'll be getting 3 different eye looks from the 3 of us using the same palette. Make sure that you check out their channels, I'll link them down below, and make sure that you subscribe before you go. Thanks for watching. Okay, first I'm just going to do my transition shades how I normally do, so I'm going to start off with Silk Cream on a fluffy blending brush. This one is from e.l.f. It's like $2. I am exhausted. I'm so tired. I could fall asleep just sitting here. So hopefully you guys don't fall asleep just sitting there watching this. But I went out of town for the weekend to go see the in-laws out near Chicago. It was a lot of fun. And like, I'm not jet lagged. It's only an hour difference from where I live right now. From where I live right now as opposed to where I lived before. Anyway, it's only an hour difference, so I'm not jet lagged. Next is butter. I mean, you guys have seen me do this at least like 4 or 5 times. I always just use these shades to build up. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with this look today. I'm thinking maybe copper. What I really want to do is just golden brown, but I always do golden brown. So I think I'll do a copper look today. That is pukey. That is. It looks like puke. It literally looks disgusting. Let's use it. I'm gonna go in with Pukey, this middle shade here. I'm gonna take that right here in the crease. I haven't used the shade Pukey yet. You know, I'm realizing that I think this eye is a little bit hooded as compared to the other one. Or there's just like more skin from the top that just hangs on it. So I gotta figure out how to work with that. Okay, next I'm going to take Roxanne. It's the very middle shade in the palette. It's more of a red-brown. I have Havana by whatever her name is stuck in my head and I hate it. Oh, because that's Jackson. I'm just a little wary of that shade. So next I'm going to go in with Hunts. It's the brightest brick red shade in the palette. I'm going to take that on my Luxie brush. Also another shade I haven't used. Hopefully no allergic reactions this time. This is my old original palette. So I hope that there's not any reactions because I don't have time for that. Do some of that on the inner corner as well. Haven't done that before. Let's try that. Yeah, that's what the other tutorials look like. Looks like what the pros are doing. I got a pedicure while I was out there. Cause I don't get pedicures here because my mom hates feet and I have a hard time going places by myself. Anyway, so I went with Devin's mom and I got space toes. I mean, my toenails have been painted black for a long time. Like, since the last time we went out there, I got them done black, and then I just keep repainting them black on my own. Anyway, so I wanted to get them black, and the lady that, Gina, my mother-in-law, what she always sees, she remembered that I had gotten my nails done black last time. Anyway, so I picked up black, and I was like, okay, so like I'm an emo at heart, but also I really love glitter because I'm fabulous. So I got black and glittery toes. They're space toes, and I really like them. So I'm thinking about buying glitter polish to put on top of my normal emo black nails. So, okay, I'm gonna take this dark glittery color called Crayon Apple, and I'm going to take that on this stiff shader brush from e.l.f. I didn't do my foundation because I am expecting some fallout, so we'll do that later. Focusing this right in the middle. Make sure you get it right down to the lower lash line. Next, I'm going to take this copper shade called Firework. With the same brush, I wiped it off. Right in the middle of the middle that we did. I like this. It's fun. I mean, it's not too far off from the usual browns that I do, but it's still different. Just gonna blend everything a little bit more into the crease and up. Make sure everything is all blended together pretty well. And to add some real good dimension, I'm gonna go in with gold, because I think gold in the center of the lid is really pretty. Same brush, wiped off. Probably wipe it off a little bit more. This gold shade called Queen. Half of my horizon. And I'm doing both sides because I'm going to spray it to give it a nice pop. Ooh. I'm gonna wipe off basically everything that I picked up because I picked up way too much. Really just blend it in. I'm gonna go back in with Crayon Apple just to darken it up again. I'm gonna go back with Hunts just to deepen the outer corner again. I'm gonna highlight the brow bone with a mixture of Beam and In Light. Someone is talking outside my apartment. Okay, I'm gonna go finish off the rest of my eyes off camera and film another video while I'm at it, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, that is it for this eye look. I put on some NYX Epic Ink Liner in waterproof, and then I tried the Tarteist Lash Paint Mascara. It came in my Allure box. It's not waterproof, so I wouldn't be able to use this like long term. It'll just end up gooping, but I really do like how the eye look turned out. So make sure that you guys check out Brennan Joanne and Courtney Brooke, because this is a collaboration with them. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I hate that song.